Exclusive, the plot thickens in the Hangwani Maumela corruption scandal. The Special Investigating Unit SIU has been ordered to return a fleet of luxury vehicles, including Aston Martins, Ferraris, and a Rolls-Royce, allegedly linked to the tender kingpin. The moves raised eyebrows, with many wondering if the wheels are about to be greased for Maumela's getaway. The supercars were seized from Oma dealership in Witbank, linked to Maumela, after a raid at his Sandhurst home last October. 3 Lamborghinis were also taken, and now the SUV is facing the music, handing back the keys to these babies. But what's the real story? Are they trying to protect the assets, or is this a case of you scratch my back, I scratch yours? Judge Margaret Victor's ruling came with strict conditions, balancing the dealership's right against the state's needs to preserve assets. The SUVs got 30 days to cough up more evidence, or the cars are gone. Meanwhile, Maumela's empire still standing, despite the alleged 2 million rand looting at Tembisa Hospital. Coincidence? We think not. The AFUS still got 400 million rand in assets, including luxury homes and a boat. But with the supercars heading back to their alleged owner, is the net closing in, or are we witnessing a masterclass in corruption? The people demand answers. Who's next?